Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what's really out there, beyond what our eyes can see? What if I told you we were about to embark on a journey through the most spectacular sights the universe has to offer? Forget everything you think you know, because today we're diving headfirst into the cosmic ocean. Our journey begins in the stellar nursery, a place where stars are born. This isn't just empty space. This is the pillars of creation, a small but breathtaking part of the Eagle Nebula, about 7,000 light-years away from Earth. These colossal towers of interstellar gas and dust are light-years tall. Inside these dense, dark clouds, gravity is pulling material together, creating hot, dense cores. When these cores get hot enough, nuclear fusion ignites and a new star blazes to life. The intense ultraviolet radiation from the young, brilliant stars nearby is sculpting these pillars, slowly eroding them away. It's a constant cosmic battle between creation and destruction, a process that has been happening for billions of years across the universe. From the birthplace of stars, let's travel to a place where they go to rest, but not quietly. This is the Helix Nebula, often called the Eye of God for its striking resemblance to a giant eye staring back at us from the cosmos. Located about 700 light-years away, it's one of the closest planetary nebulae to Earth. What you're seeing is the final, beautiful act of a star like our own sun. As it ran out of fuel, it shed its outer layers into space. The central star, now a white dwarf, is incredibly hot, and its fierce radiation causes the expelled gas to glow in these magnificent colors. The red is from hydrogen and nitrogen, while the blue-green comes from oxygen. It's a ghostly, ethereal reminder of a star's life cycle. Now let's zoom out, way out. We've seen the life and death of individual stars, but stars are just the building blocks. They gather together in massive collections called galaxies. Our own home is the Milky Way, a barred spiral galaxy containing hundreds of billions of stars, including our sun. It's about 100,000 light-years across. If you're in a dark enough location, you can see its faint, milky band stretching across the night sky. At its heart lies a supermassive black hole named Sagittarius A star, with a mass 4 million times that of our sun. Our entire solar system is on a slow, grand orbit around this galactic center, taking about 230 million years to complete one lap. But our galaxy is not alone. Our closest major galactic neighbor is Andromeda, a magnificent spiral galaxy 2.5 million light-years away. It's the most distant object you can see with the naked eye. Andromeda is even larger than the Milky Way, with perhaps 1 trillion stars, and it's headed right for us. In about 4.5 billion years, the Milky Way and Andromeda will collide and merge in a cosmic dance that will last for hundreds of millions of years. This event, nicknamed Milkomeda, will create a brand new, even larger elliptical galaxy. Don't worry though. The space between stars is so vast that direct collisions between stars will be incredibly rare. The night sky for any future inhabitants, however, will be a spectacular sight. Galaxies themselves aren't scattered randomly through space. They're bound together by gravity into groups, clusters, and even larger structures called superclusters. Imagine a vast cosmic web, with long filaments of galaxies and dark matter stretching across billions of light-years, connecting massive clusters at their intersections. In between these filaments are enormous, nearly empty regions called cosmic voids. The scale is almost impossible to comprehend. The Laniakea supercluster, which includes our own Milky Way, is home to 100,000 galaxies and stretches over 520 million light-years. We are just one tiny speck in this unimaginably vast structure. Our journey has taken us through stellar nurseries and graveyards across our galactic home and to our neighbors. Now, we venture to the most extreme and mysterious objects in the entire universe: black holes. These are regions of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. They form when massive stars collapse under their own gravity at the end of their lives. Let's approach a stellar mass black hole, one with a mass just a few times that of our sun. As we get closer, we'd reach a point of no return called the event horizon. This isn't a physical surface, but an invisible boundary. Once you cross it, the gravitational pull is so immense that escape is impossible. The laws of physics as we know them break down at the very center, a point of infinite density called the singularity. Before we'd ever reach it, the intense gravitational forces would stretch any object. including our spaceship or our bodies, into a long, thin strand in a process gruesomely named spaghettification. But not all black holes are small. At the center of most large galaxies, including our own, lurk supermassive black holes. These are giants, millions or even billions of times the mass of our sun. How they got so big is still a major puzzle for astronomers. One of the most famous and the first one ever directly imaged is the black hole at the center of the M87 galaxy, 55 million light-years away. This behemoth has a mass of 6.5 billion suns. The image we see is not the black hole itself, but its shadow cast against the glowing, superheated material swirling around it in an accretion disk. As this material gets closer, it's accelerated to near the speed of light, emitting tremendous amounts of energy and making the region one of the brightest objects in the universe. These are known as quasars, and they can outshine their entire host galaxy. The M87 black hole also launches a colossal jet of plasma that extends for 5,000 light-years. This jet, traveling at nearly the speed of light, is powered by the immense energy from the black hole's rotation and magnetic fields. These jets play a crucial role in the evolution of galaxies, influencing star formation and shaping the intergalactic medium. They are powerful cosmic engines, sculpting the universe on the grandest scales. Our journey through the cosmos reveals a universe that is more dynamic, more violent, and more beautiful than we could ever imagine. From the delicate glow of a newborn star to the inescapable pull of a black hole, we are surrounded by wonders that challenge our understanding and ignite our curiosity. Every image from our telescopes is a postcard from the past, showing us light that has traveled for thousands, millions, or even billions of years to reach us. We are, in a very real sense, cosmic archaeologists piecing together the story of the universe. And the story is far from over. With every new discovery, with every new telescope we launch into the void, we write a new chapter. We are living in a golden age of astronomy, peeling back the layers of the cosmos one discovery at a time. The universe is a vast and wondrous place, and our exploration of it has only just begun. What other secrets are waiting out there in the dark? Thank you so much for joining me on this incredible journey across the cosmos. If you were as amazed by these sights as I am, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more adventures into the unknown. Let me know in the comments which cosmic object fascinates you the most. Until next time, keep looking up.